Alright, welcome back again. We are going to take our second example on trigonometric identities. Now, we are to rewrite the square root of sine squared theta plus cos squared theta plus cot squared theta in a non-radical form without using the absolute value form, that is theta being less than 2 pi, which is 360, and then theta being greater than pi, which is 180 degrees. Now, writing the question, we have the square root of sine squared theta plus cos squared theta plus cot squared theta. I'll name this as my first term. Now, from the Pythagorean identities that we just proved, we know that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1 from the Pythagorean identities. So this means that in place of sine squared theta plus cos squared theta, I'm going to replace it by 1. So I'm going to rewrite this as the square root of 1 plus cot squared theta, because the 1 here represents sine squared theta plus cos squared theta. I'll name this 2. And also from the Pythagorean identities that we just proved, we know that cosec squared theta is equal to 1 plus cot squared theta. This means that in place of 1 plus cot squared theta, I'm going to replace it by cosec squared theta. So we have the square root of cosec squared theta. Now, using the fact that if you have the square root of x squared, which is equal to the absolute value of x, this is the fact we are going to use. If you have the square root of x squared, which is the same as the absolute value of x, it implies that if I have the square root of cosec squared theta, that means I'm going to get the absolute function of cosec theta. That is what I'm going to get. But with the clear given here, theta is less than 2 pi, which is 360 degrees, and then greater than 180 degrees. So when you take into consideration the 4 quadrants, the first quadrant, the second, the third, and then the fourth quadrant, theta is greater than 180 but less than 2 pi. That is 360 degrees. Now theta falls in the third and then the fourth quadrant. And we know from our previous videos that in the third and the fourth quadrant, cosec is negative. The inverse of the cosec is the sine function. So sine function is negative in the third and the fourth quadrant. So in this case, cosec or the sine function is negative. This gives us negative cosec theta. Thank you.